computer interface. Last week, we got the news of Neuralink, the company of Elon Musk, getting US FDA approval for starting human trials for this brain computer interface. Seems to be a new technology? No. In fact, the work on this started almost 100 years back, that is in 1924. And a lot of progress has been made, mainly to understand how our brain works. So our brain consists of more than 86 billion neurons, and depending on the frequency, they pass the electricity signals. Those signals have been classified into alpha, beta, gamma, theta. These type of signals get passed. When our brain is very active, it is classified as a gamma, and when it is quite relaxed, then it is beta, and like that there is the alpha. Now, if we can decipher those signals and transmit to some other electronic device, we can do wonders. And that is the aim of these trials are. And this can help people who have limited mobility. By their thoughts, they can move their body parts. People who are going through various mental state, be in depression, or if they are not calm, again it can be identified and help can be provided. This brain-computer interface works in a invasive way, non-invasive way, semi-invasive way. So yeah, a lot more things need to get done, and as I said, it helps. It will surely help many people with a limited mobility, or it will improve people in depression, or it can help improving the cognitive ability of a person. Let's see what wonders lie ahead. You wanted to know more about this? Go at my website www.raktimsingh.com, and there you'll find brain computer interface with example. Thank you.